Okay, so the length of the rectangle below is 2 centimeters longer than the width. The area of the triangle is 70. Use trial and improvement to find the width correct to one decimal place. Now, you might be thinking, how on earth can I do what I just did in question 6 on this? Just a little bit of algebra we need here. Length of the rectangle below is 2 centimeters longer than the width. So if we call the width x, the length then is going to be x plus 2. Okay? And then it says the area is 70. How do you get area? Length times width, isn't it? So you're going to times them. Okay? Length times width, it gives you the area, and they're saying it's 70. So in this case now, multiply them out, right? Don't leave it like that, because if you multiply it out, you get then something that looks like what we've just done, trial and improvement. You can leave it like that, okay? And let it equals to 70. It doesn't have to equal to 0. And then we've got to use trial and improvement then to find what x is, okay? Because the width, isn't it, that you want? Remember the width we said was x, so we just got to work out what x is to one decimal place. Okay, now the trouble with this question, okay, I mean, it is worth a few marks. Okay, 5 marks is a bit mean there, to be fair, compared to the last question. But they don't tell you what x is. They don't say it's between 6 and 7 or anything. So we've got to have a bit of a guess here, okay? I don't know, let's just set x to equal 5 to start with then, okay? It's pointless going for like 5.6, or as we start off we go in the middle of 5.5. It's not good. We've got to work out first of all what is in between. So what's 5 squared plus 2 times 5? Well, that's going to be 35, so that's no good. So let's try 6. 6 squared plus 2 times 6. That's going to be 48. That's no good. 7 squared plus 2 times 7. 7 squared is 49, plus 2 times 7 is 63. So we're getting close to 70, aren't we? 8 then, 8 squared plus 2 times 8 is 80. There you go. Okay, so the result there is between, isn't it? 7 and 8. Okay, so we could say that solution lies between 7 and 8. Okay, because when you put 7 into this, you get 63, and when you put 8 into this, you get 80. So we want it to be 70, so somewhere between there. So all you got to do now is you just put 7.5 in. Okay, using trial and improvement. This is our formula. Okay, so put 7.5 in. 7.5 squared plus 2 times 7.5. Let's see what that comes out to be. That comes out to be 71.25. Now, remember we wanted to be 70. This comes out to be too big, isn't it? We wanted to be 70. So we're going to try 7.4. Okay? So put 7.4 in. Remember, I don't need to write all this rubbish out, but the important thing is you put the answer. So you get, oh, that's nice. So you get 69.56. What's nice about this is that it's too small. Okay, because we wanted 70, remember. So the first answer was too big, the second answer was too small. We know now it's between 7.4 and 7.5. Okay, it's one of them. So it's quite nice we got the answer quite quickly after doing all this hard work. Okay. Right, so a number line. Okay. 7.4, 7.5. You go in the middle. Okay, so 7.45 will be in the middle. Okay, so we just chuck that in now. And that comes out to be 70.4025. It is important, right, that you do write this down, because in the mark scheme, when they mark these, they're looking for this answer. Okay, so you can see that, no, that's too big. Remember, 7.4 was too small, 7.5 was too big, and now we've established 7.45 is too big, so that means the result's got to be here somewhere. So you could say therefore 7.41 decimal place.